Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Izaz Ansar, and my topic of today's presentation is deserts. What is a desert? We can say that any region with low rainfall or no rainfall is known as desert. Moreover, talking about more appropriate, areas that receive less than 25 centimeters or 10 inches of rain annually are known as deserts. Deserts are dry with sparse vegetation. Next is distribution of deserts. And the location of most deserts is related to descending air. Hot air rises at the equator where the land receives the greatest amount of sun's radiation. Most of the world's deserts are located near 30 degrees north latitude and 30 degrees south latitude, where the heated equatorial air begins to descend. The descending air is dense and begins to warm again, evaporating large amounts of water from the land surface. The resulting climate is very dry. The equator receives sun's heat more directly than the rest of the earth. The air warms and rises, then moves both northward and southward to sink near 30 degrees north and 30 degrees south. Other deserts are located in the rain shadows of mountain ranges. As most air passes over a mountain range, it expands and cools, precipitating most of its moisture as it rises. As here in figure we can see there are two sides of mountain. From one side, moist warm air comes up, rises, it expands, cools. On the other side, when it comes down, bringing the high evaporation as it has lost all of its moisture, etc. So while coming down, it brings with it high evaporation with little or no rainfall to the downside of the range on the other side, as told above. Next is great distance from the ocean. As we have studied above, there is no rainfall or less rainfall. As we know that oceans causes rainfall, and when there is a lot of distance from the ocean, so there are no or less chances of rainfall in deserts. Since most of rainfall comes from water evaporated from the sea, a great distance from the ocean is another factor that can create deserts. As there is no fertilization in the soil, there is no chances of vegetation, so it results in deserts. Next is characteristics of deserts. Lack through flowing streams, internal drainage. The streams drain toward landlocked basins instead of towards the sea. The desert area is expanding annually at an alarming rate due to misuse of environment. Another characteristic of desert is flash floods. While talking about flash floods, its definition is like it is a rapid flooding of low-lying areas that washes rivers, dry lakes, and depressions. It may be caused by heavy rain associated with a severe thunderstorm, hurricane, tropical storm, or meltwater from ice or snow falling over ice sheets or snowfalls. As there is no type of vegetation, so there is no barrier, so heavy when there is heavy rainfall, it clears all the surface over the desert, and so there is highly chance of flash floods there. Thank you.